So, last night was watching Force of Nature. It's about a cop who's assigned to help some residents of a apartment building evacuate during a hurricane. And you have several colorful residents in the apartment building, including an older man played by Mel Gibson being taken care of by his daughter played by Kate Bosworth. Well, on the other end of the spectrum, there's a bunch of gangsters robbing places and killing people. So naturally, they decide to go to this apartment building because there's rumored to be a safe and some priceless artifacts and whatnot. And of course, the policeman, his partner, the older man, his daughter, another resident with a secret, and a foreign resident all cross paths. And when I was watching this, it reminded me of the older movie called Key Largo, starring Humphrey Bogart. And of course, it's all set during a very bad hurricane. So you have the hurricane going on while all the action takes place mostly in the apartment building. And I thought it was pretty good, pretty passable. 87 minutes of entertainment. Mel Gibson really shined and stole the show, I thought. Of course, I haven't seen him in anything in a while. Probably due to controversy from years ago. Also, Email Hirsch was pretty good. As a cop with a secret past, of course. And he had some issues too a couple years back. So, pretty interesting cast. It was also directed by Kate Bosworth's husband. Interestingly enough, he's directed several other movies. And if you look them up, you could probably recognize him. I wasn't familiar with his work or that he was married to Kate Bosworth until I looked it up. So I thought that was an interesting little tidbit. It takes place in Puerto Rico, and it seems to use some real footage of hurricanes and the aftermath. So overall, I thought it was pretty good. I found it in the Walmart bargain bin, naturally. But like I said, it's like a Key Largo remake or reboot, if you will, in a way. I really liked how they used the apartment building as a setting. And of course, you had the different levels. And I liked the different people who lived in the apartment buildings because they, each had a different personality and whatnot. And of course, you're rooting for them to get away from the gangsters who are just total rotten human beings, just awful. And you had the escalating danger from the storm itself because they're basically stuck with nowhere to go, but deeper into the apartment building. So, yeah, 87 minutes long, not bad, passable action and direction. I thought it was pretty good, entertaining if you're looking for that type of thing. So, Force of Nature, you can probably find it at the bargain bin or stream it or whatever. And that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'll catch you on the flip side.